The first thing we're going to look at is congruent statements. So here with this one, you have these two triangles. So let's look at it this way. You have this red triangle here, and then you have this blue triangle here. This is the congruent statement. Shh, Ariana. This is your congruent statement. It's triangle ABC is congruent to triangle. This one's going to be DE. It's going to be DEF. When you have this much, this is all you need to complete it. So you have this and you have the picture. So this is your congruent statement. Hey, you're not talking. This is your congruent statement. You have to write these other 6 things. So look, the angles is the first one I want you to look at. You have angle A, angle B, and angle C. They're each going to have something they're congruent to. Okay, so look at this. Angle A right here, has how many lines across it? Has 2. Which one has 2 lines over here? So A and D are congruent. So angle A and angle D. Another way you can look at this, so A and D, they're both in the first place. So A is the first one, D is the first one. B is the second one. What's the second one over here? So you have E is the next one here. All right, the last one's going to be F. So that's the angles. Any questions so far? This make sense?
Hey, is this right? Like I'm doing this right? Like this part?
Let me go over this first. The other thing you need to look at is the sides. Here. Oh, it froze. Nope, there it is.
Reach out. You what?
Pay attention. Okay, AB. How many notches does it have on it? Right here. This AB, see, there's 1 line across from it. Michaela, over here on this blue one, which one of these lines has 1 notch on it? ED, right? So AB matches, we're going to do this, so we're going to do ED. Does this make sense? Okay, so your other sides of this red one, you have AB is here. The bottom one is BC. And then this other one is CA. So when you're doing congruent statements, BC matches up with EF. And then you have CA matches up with FD. Another thing you're going to need to be able to do is write these congruent statements differently. So for instance, if you have another congruent statement here, somebody pick one of the letters on the red triangle.
C.
C. Another one.
D.
C, B, A. So this is your congruent statement. To complete this, what matches with C? So it's F, E, D. Any questions on this?
Can you explain one more time, please? Or no?
I'll go back over with you later.
Que no, güey.
That's your boyfriend.
Yes, Nutella.
Okay, so for these, you're just rewriting these statements. So if you put them in a different order, let's say you do this one, triangle RQP. What letter matches R? That's right, pay attention. We got R as the third one, so U matches. So for this one, it's U. Q matches T, and then S here. So you're just rearranging them. Over here, if you do, let's do D, B, C, A. If you switch that up, if you switch this one, it's just going to be H, F, G, E. So DBCA just switches to HFGE. The rest of this we're not going to get into today, but you'll set it up the same way. The main thing you need, so those are just being rearranged. This is the main thing you need today. Any questions? Stop this.